Welcome. Thank you for your questions. And I would like to dedicate this video to one question which may help very many people, because we often talk about it that when we douse, we need to be focused, we need to be centered, we need to do this and this and this to douse properly. And very important question one of you asked me was, can you talk more about balancing polarity? Because in my course Dowsing as a Life Enhancer, which is an online course, I was dedicated quite a big part of it to different methods of repolarizing your body. So let me share with you one of the methods, which is fast. Because when you douse, you don't have much time to, the session shouldn't take really half an hour to do one thing. So I'm not a big fan of doing the meditation before or something, because it takes time, and it turns away many people from dowsing because it's too complex. So let's do small little things which can help us to douse properly, because our body is polarized properly. When you look at your body, here is the collarbone, which goes up and then have this indentation here. So if you will touch the top of those two bones, just go to the peak of the collarbone, and then you will slide your hand under 45 degrees down to the very first soft spot under the bone. That's the place we will need to just massage, moving the fingers around. So do it fast and press a little. Not that it will hurt to the point that it will hurt, but just vigorously, let's say. And then your body is repolarized. It would be great if you wouldn't do it with any form of a pendant on your neck, but that's the simplest and fastest form. If you will check with your pendulum, your yes and your no, after doing this massage, then you will see that the pendulum shows your traditional yes and your traditional no, which means that your body has been repolarized. Very often today, we experience reverse polarity just because of energetic changes around our planet and in us, of course. So do this before you douse and you will be fine. The next question, which always follow this explanation, is what if my polarity was fine at the beginning? Well, then it will strengthen it. It will not change it for wrong. Always, whatever methodology you use to repolarize your body, they will reinstate or strengthen the polarity of your body, but only the proper to your body structure polarity. Use it, help yourself, teach others, because it's a very simple method. So you can teach your dowser's friend, you can teach your clients, whoever you wish. It's simple and it helps. Thank you very much for your attention today. Don't forget, if you like my videos, well, then subscribe to our channel. Visit our website, intuitivedowsing.com, and, of course, visit us on our Facebook page. If you have more questions, which I always welcome, please visit our website, go to Contact Us page, and then send me an email. I would love to answer the questions which you have So I will help you to make your dowsing more enjoyable and more efficient. But most of all, that you will be a reliable dowser. Thank you very much and see you next time.